Decide the starting direction for laying large format floor tile by orienting your primary grid to the room's longest uninterrupted sightline. Start by identifying the room's primary visual axis, which is usually the longest wall or the line you see first upon entering. Measure and mark a center line from that axis and snap chalk lines to establish a reference grid that runs parallel to your chosen sightline. Dry lay a single row of tiles along the chalk lines without spacers to check for edge cuts at both ends and to verify that grout joints fall in acceptable places relative to thresholds and fixtures. If cuts at opposing walls differ by more than 1/2 tile, shift the grid or change orientation so cuts are balanced rather than leaving one full tile against a visible wall. When working from a diagonal or offset pattern, triangulate from 2 fixed points such as a doorway corner and the opposite wall to keep corner joints consistent across the field. Always verify the layout again after setting the first 2 rows with mortar because tile placement can shift and small adjustments early are far easier than regrouting later. Use a carpenter square and a laser level to keep long rows straight since large format tile magnifies even minor misalignments. A common mistake is starting at a corner or threshold without considering the room sightline, which often yields narrow, unsightly edge cuts. Solve this by dry laying rows both parallel and perpendicular to the sightline and choosing the option with the most balanced edge cuts. Another error is not accounting for substrate flatness, leading to lippage and broken tiles. Remedy this by performing a floor flatness test, correcting with a self-leveling compound where necessary, and using proper backbuttering for full coverage. A third issue is locking into a layout before checking transition points and adjacent rooms, which causes misaligned joints and awkward seams. Prevent this by simulating transitions with spare tiles and adjusting the primary grid so joints align across thresholds. At bighomeprojects.com, we connect homeowners with local contractors through our project listings and discussion community where members share experiences and layout tips. We help contractors find work and homeowners find peers and pros so everyone can plan tile layouts with shared knowledge and local options.